Next up, we're going to solder the GST connector. This is a bit of a workaround because it was kind of overlooked by myself whilst I was developing this board. Basically, if you stick it in as the footprint tells you to, like so, and then you try to connect the battery in, and then you put the Raspberry Pi together on top, there's not enough room, there's not enough height. But luckily for us, I found a way that you can just bend these pins. You want to bend them. It will work. Bend them so that it's basically bent forwards, like so. And then what you do is, luckily, there's just enough space for the leads just to poke through the holes, just to get a bit of solder. But it is dead hard to put it down and not have it fall out the holes. God, come here. Oh Jesus, it might be better just to... No, it's not playing ball. It's not playing ball. There we go. You might just want to fill one with solder. And it kind of grabs it, just. And then once again, just press a bit of pressure on the back, heat it up, and it will. There you go, you can hear it. Plop down, solder the other side. And there you go, it's on. And then move on to the next.